welcome to Miss Boyle's Crash Course series. Today's episode, Hanna-Barbera cartoons. Let's go!
Let's start off with who is Hanna-Barbera. Well, Hanna-Barbera is not a person, but a production. Yes, a production, you see. Cartoons such as Tom and Jerry, the Flintstones, and many others were created by William Derby, Hanna, and Joseph Ronald Barbera. William started off as a construction engineer and then became an artist after losing his job during the Great Depression. He worked at Pacific Art Title and soon after was hired by Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer and GM Studios. Joseph worked as a bank accountant and drew cartoons for newspapers and magazines in the early 1930s. After selling a Collier's magazine, he gave up accounting for cartooning. In 1937, he joined the MGM Studios as a sketch artist. The same year, William was recruited, Joseph was hired, and William discovered an art style that complemented his. They made their own company, Hanna-Barbera Productions, after MGM closed the animation department.
Hanna-Barbera Productions is well known for many of their classic cartoons, such as the Flintstones or Yogi Bear. In fact, their most praised and almost universally loved cartoon is Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? Several different series, many original animated movies, and around 4 live-action movies. Another popular cartoon from the team is Tom and Jerry, despite it being owned by MGM previously. Together, the two made over 200 films for the series between the years of 1940 and 1957. Other facts about the duo include 30 years running together, 7 Academy Awards, a Governor's Award, 8 Emmy Awards, a Golden Globe Award, a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and they were inducted in the Television Academy Hall of Fame in 1993. Some of their top cartoons include the Flintstones, Scooby-Doo, Where Are You?, Yogi Bear, the Jetsons, Wacky Races, and the Smurfs.
And now for the mystery document.
Alright. This cartoon was the first animated series to be nominated for an Emmy. Had their theme song somewhat inspired by Beethoven, their famous catchphrase inspired from a Brile Cream slogan, and is well known for marketing products. Back in the day, this cartoon had even marketed cigarettes to audiences. This cartoon was heavily inspired by the live-action show The Honeymooners when it was created. The inspiration was so heavy that it led to the lead actor for the Honeymooners. Wait, let's start it over. There's a few typos.
No, sorry, too late.
The inspiration was so heavy that the lead actor for the Honeymooners, Jackie Gleason, considered suing Hanna-Barbera due to the similarities between his show and this sub-cartoon. Oh, jeez. Do I get any hints?
Those were your hints.
Should we give him a catchphrase?
No, that'll be too easy.
Was there not a catchphrase in this?
No. Well, it says there's a catchphrase, but we didn't say what the catchphrase
Just
was.
pick a cartoon.
Pick a cartoon. When is their most famous?
You see the...
Scooby-Doo.
No, sorry.
Hit him.
What is it? Is this the Jetsons? Oh, the Flintstones. They have cigarettes in that? What? I didn't even know. I know that they advertise gummies.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Miss Boyle's Crash Course on Hanna-Barbera.
See you next time.
Okay, that was cringy.
That was cringy. I was too silent.